So let's verify here. First step, f of x turns into what letter? Y. All right. Step 2, x and y do what? Switch the order. Okay, so x equals square root y minus 2 plus 3. Okay, and then my next steps are to solve for y. If I'm solving for y, I need to get rid of what first here? What do you think? So 3. To get rid of a plus 3, we subtract 3 on both sides. It's going to go after that x. So x minus 3 equals square root y minus 2. Do I get rid of the 2 or the square root? Okay, square root first because the 2 is inside. It's being messed with. We got to get rid of that square root on the outside first. The opposite of square root is squared. Okay, so I have to square both sides. When I square the left side, it's the whole left side. So I'm going to use parentheses and square this, and then I'm going to square the right side as well. So now I have x minus 3 in parentheses squared equals y minus 2, now that the square root is gone. And then my last step to get rid of that minus 2, well, what do I do? What do I do? To get rid of this minus 2, what about it? How do I get rid of a minus 2? Okay, plus 2, thank you. So you add 2 to both sides. You always do the opposite, right? Hey, we got a test on this tomorrow, so. Now, I'm going to write it as an inverse function. F inverse of x equals x minus 3 squared plus 2. Now, after all that, the question is that inverse function the same as that g of x? Are these the same? This time they are. The one we did on Friday, it was like a tiny bit different, which was wrong. But this one, hey, they are exactly the same, so we can say they're verified. You got the little check mark, you know what I'm saying? The blue check mark. Okay, so they are inverses. Now, here's the deal. This is new. Y'all like new things? Y'all like technology and new things and doodads and gizmos? Here's the deal. Tomorrow we're going to take our test on Chromebooks. Anyways, tomorrow we're going to take our test on Chromebooks. So anyways, your review will look similar to your test tomorrow, except it'll be, okay. So make sure you do your review, check your answers. It's very similar to the test tomorrow. You can also finish it at home tonight, because I posted all this stuff, the keys and the answers, and with a video of me going over the whole thing, posted in the Google Classroom screen if you need it, okay? So make sure you finish this, keep it, bring it tomorrow. Don't forget to study, it's the test. It's the biggest grade you'll have. So if your grade's kind of low, this will make your grade go high if you could just study. All right, here we go.